So this is the 321 RL. It's right, I'm right in the door. And I'll just do a slow walk. It's got the fireplace, TV right across from a couple recliners. I'll get there in a sec. Got the couch in the back. There's two recliners that are next to the table and chairs. And then I'll come from the back and look forward. This is from the couch. So you got tons of counter space here. There you go. And again, sorry. I didn't mean to move too fast. TV is right there with the fireplace underneath. And then walking up front, we have the bathroom right here in the middle. Double sinks in it. Okay, plenty of room there. And then the shower. That's the shower head. It's big sized. It's got a seat in it. We keep the 5-gallon bucket with water in there to try to keep moisture in the air. That's why we have that there. Let me back out. And then go into the bedroom. King size bed, big closet. Let's see. So your closet, big closet, storage on top. Goes way back. And then here, if you wanted to put a washer dryer in here, you could. But otherwise, it's just another closet and storage. Okay. And then I'll show you from back to front. So again, bed's here to show you. It's a slider door, not a swinging door. Here is, that's all your control panel right here in the middle. Okay. The cabinet's right next to it. And as you come down, you can see you got the recliners on the left, table on the left, long couch that makes a bed in the back, TV there, and then again, lots and lots of counter space. Okay? Thank you.